I do welcome you back to Palm Hopes Foundation Elite Schools, and in this video we are going to be learning about what is digital piracy. What is digital piracy? I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number and this is my email address. So my dear friend, without wasting a lot of time, let us go to what is digital piracy. What do you think is digital piracy? So we are having here a picture here, and in this picture we are having someone is on a computer, but now there are a lot of files that are opened up. We are having this one, we're having this one, we're having this one, this one, this one, and others. So they are getting up. So we want to know what is digital piracy. So is somewhere on a certain website. So let's dive and see what is digital piracy. So digital piracy is an online or digital piracy. So online or digital piracy refers to the unauthorized distribution and use of copyrighted digital content, including music, movies, software, games, ebooks, or electronic books, and other types of content. So digital piracy, what does this one mean? In short, this is the use of content or information which you have no authorization, or which you are unauthorized to use. So it involves the sharing, downloading, and uploading of digital files that are protected by copyright law without the permission of the owner. So here you are using people's information or people's work without their permission. That is digital piracy. So digital piracy has become a significant challenge for content creators, distributors, and right holders, as it can result in significant financial losses and damage to reputation. What does this one mean? That you can easily lose your information, you can easily lose your money, you can easily lose things that are about you, and even things that belong to you on this in this digital format. So pirated digital content is often freely available on the internet, making it easy for people to access without paying for it. This makes it challenging for right holders to monetize their content and recoup their investment in its creation and distribution, meaning that it becomes hard for someone who has created his content online to copyright it, or to earn money from it, or to earn a living from it, or to earn a recommendation from it, due to overuse of his content, that is copy and paste of his content without his authorization. So if we continue, they are saying that one of the most common forms of digital piracy is file sharing. We have sharing, we have which file sharing, which involves the sharing of digital files through peer-to-peer networks. So what are the peer-to-peer networks? For example, we have networks in organizations, in companies, whereby you find computers are networked on the same network. So it means that people can easily access other people's information on that same network. That is peer-to-peer networks or file sharing platforms. For example, we have internet file sharing platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook, social media platforms, even these websites, web pages, systems. So all these platforms act as they enable digital piracy. In this type of piracy, users download and upload files to and from a network of computers without permission from the content owner. This type of piracy can be difficult to monitor and control, as the files are often encrypted and distributed across multiple networks. We are saying that another form of digital piracy is streaming, where users can access digital content without downloading it to their devices. Streaming, what do they mean? Live stream. You are on a live chat with someone, and this someone is sharing the work online. So that is what they are meaning. So they're saying that streaming piracy is often facilitated by websites that offer access to copyrighted content without permission from the content owner. This type of piracy is particularly challenging to combat, as it is often difficult to track and remove pirated content. Meaning that, let's say that I am here online and I'm using some people's website, some people's information. So it means that it becomes hard for someone to come and see that I have used his work. So my dear friend, using someone's work without his or her his or her permission is actually a problem to in concerning digital piracy. So it's a problem to the content creator, at the same time the problem to this person who is using this content. Combat digital piracy. Right holders can take several measures, including the use of digital rights management. So, to reduce this digital piracy or use of whereby people are using content without the authorization include. So we are saying that to combat digital piracy, right holders can take several measures, including the use of digital rights management software, which encrypts digital content to prevent unauthorized distribution and sharing. Additionally, right holders can use tools to track and monitor the internet for authorized copies of their content and issue takedown notice to remove pirated content. So this one means that, let's say that you have been using other people's content to do your own things. So in case of such a thing, they are saying that using DRM, that is digital rights management, in this way, someone can easily use that system to track and encrypt the content, meaning that to hide the content from being used through distribution and sharing. So we are saying that in conclusion, digital piracy, digital piracy is a significant problem for content creators, distributors, and right holders. It involves the unauthorized distribution and use of copyrighted digital content, and it can result in significant financial losses and damage to reputation. File sharing and streaming are two common forms of digital piracy that are challenging to combat. However, right holders can take several measures to protect their content, including the use of DRM software and monitoring the internet for unauthorized copies of their content. So, my dear friend, I created this video to give you an explanation about how you can safeguard your information over internet, at the same time understanding how people steal your information, or how people use your information, or how this information you are using on internet or your details on your internet can be shared or can be accessed by someone with unauthorized access and uses that information in a wrong way to do wrong things. So my dear friend, take care of what you upload on internet, take care of that information that you are sending onto the internet, and at the same time take these control measures to combat down or to bring down this digital piracy. Otherwise, I remain as your friend Ahebwa Martin here at Palm Foundation Elite Schools. Bye for now.